What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We got a Dodge Charger here on 30s. This is the one I took my trailer a few weeks ago to Murfreesboro, North Carolina, and picked up. This one was yellow and purple. It was the Lakers edition. Customer hit a deer and had an accident in the front. So not only did he use his insurance claim, he also added to it to do a color change. The paint job that was on here before, to be honest, it was not the greatest paint job. We had to do a lot to make it look like this. The customer is more than satisfied with this paint job right here. It's orange with a heavy gold pearl in it. We got the SRT8 front bumper we put on it. Put the scoop on the hood. John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Give us a call. Another out-of-town vehicle done by John's Restoration. Y'all will see this one riding around North Carolina. Shout out to all the painters and body men in North Carolina. No hard feelings to nobody. One thing about John's Restoration, we don't talk negative or hate on other shops. We hear it a lot coming from other shops about us, but we don't return the favor. We just wish everybody luck, everybody in the same business, everybody trying to get to the next level. Let's all keep moving forward, keep making these vehicles look good on the street, and at the end of the day, it ain't about us, it's about the customer. John's Restoration, 757-713-2277. Dodge Charger on 30s. Orange with a gold pearl.